take the book in hand, please. Take your book in hand. এই বই দিয়ে কত সুন্দর করে ক্লাস করা যায় সেটা আজকে দেখাবো। Take the book in hand. Do you have book? Yes, I have a book. বইটা বুকে নিয়ে বলো, Yes, I have a book. Yes, I have a book. Open the book, please. Open the book, please. Can you read? তুমি কি পড়তে পারো? Can you read? Yes, I can read, sir. Can you read? Yes, I can read, sir. সবাই বলো, Can you read? Yes, I can read, sir. Can you write? তুমি কি লিখতে পারো? Can you write? Yes, I can write. Okay. What is the color of the book? Color of the book is black. It's my favorite color. It's black. উঠাও বাবু, উঠাই বলতে হবে। It's black. It's my favorite color. It's black. It's my favorite color. I have a book. Do you have a book? Friend ke bolo.
I have a book. Do you have a book?
Yes. Take my book to class. I learned English from this book. From মানে কি থেকে? I learned English from this book. I learn grammar. Learn আমি শিখি, I learn words. I learn grammar. Grammar বানান জানো তো? G R E না A. বলো G R A double M A R. দুইটাই কিন্তু A হবে, ওকে? Grammar. Okay? Carry my book in my school. Coaching. Sometimes I carry my book in my bag. Sometimes I carry my book in my hand.
Sometimes I carry my book in my bag.
Sometimes
I carry my book in my hand.
this book is beautiful. পাঁচবার বলো, ক্লায়েন্ট ফ্রেন্ডকে বলো। It's not heavy. It's light. I like this book. Okay. Overall, I like this book. Bye. Assalamu alaikum. Do subscribe my channel. And don't forget to comment anyway. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum. Okay.